Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लईन मडगावा गुजराती समाज एज्युकेशन ट्रस्टाच्या स्पेशल स्कुलाक आर्थिक मजत केली. स्कुलाचे कार्यवळींत राज्यपाल वांटेकार जाल्लो.
A service to not only to human beings deserving these types of special students, but it's a service to God, and that is why I am very happy that our present MLA, while he was the Chief Minister of Goa, he told me that for the smooth running of school, land and other things, of course rendered by the government, and I congratulate Digambar Kamatji for his sagacious consideration for the needy.
मडगावच्या आमदारान राज्यपालाची तोखणाय केल्या.
First time in the history of Goa, Governor staying in Raj Bhavan has tried to touch the hearts of the common man in the state of Goa. We have seen for the last so many decades, governors have come, stayed, but he is the first governor in the history of Goa who has travelled across the state and tried to meet people of various sections, especially the vulnerable sections, tried to see the schools, tried to see the ashrams, tried to see various types of special children's schools and tried to help them. This is a unique governor, I would say, that Goa had for the first time.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.